What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Ronp Media. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so y'all updated when I put out new content. Y'all read the title. This is how you get some good, clean, crisp, strong vocals. A lot of people think that, oh, I'm good at mixing, I'm good at, editing. It don't mean nothing if you don't take these steps. So I'm gonna show y'all a few steps before you even get to the mixing process to make sure that your vocals are amazing. They have to be amazing going into the microphone. You have to understand gain staging, leveling, all of that stuff. That stuff plays a big factor because it don't matter how dope you are at mixing and mastering. If you do not do the proper gain staging, your vocals is gonna sound like crap. If they too loud, it's gonna sound distorted. If they're too quiet, then they're not gonna sound strong. So this is what we finna get into. How to get great vocals. Let's go. All right, y'all. So this is my audio interface. What this audio interface does is it makes sure that your vocals is very loud without being distorted or peaking or clipping. You'll know that your vocals is clipping when that green light turns to red. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I mean. Cover your ears. Ah, ah, yeah. All right, you see it in the red, right? So that means that I can't go no louder than I'm talking right now. So what you want to do is, however loud you think you're going to be in a song, you want to adjust your audio interface to that, so you can be loud as you want without it going into the red. So I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna lower it just a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I just did and see if my voice turns to the red. All right, here we go. Ah, yeah. Ah, boom. So I'm loud. I'm not peaking or clipping, and it's gonna still sound good. So you want to make sure that you got your gain staging properly before you even start recording. So now that you got your gain staging taken care of and you got your vocals taken care of, now it's just the recording process. And make sure when you're recording your vocals, you're not all the way up on the microphone, because even though you did proper gain staging, you still don't want to be all up on the microphone. You don't want the microphone in your mouth. So make sure you allow yourself a good 6 inches away from the mic when you're recording. That's also going to help you get some good vocals. And then, of course, it's all based on, you're doing your compressor, your EQ, and, et cetera, when you're doing your mixing, But before you get into all of the mixing and stuff, these are some of the steps that you want to take to make sure that you got some good, strong, clean vocals. So, again, do some gain staging. And when you're doing gang staging, make sure you yell into the microphone. However loud you think you're going to be in a song, make sure you yell, because you have to know that when you hit that level of that tone or that level of highness in your voice, that you're not going to clip or be distorted. So make sure that you do that. Make sure you allow yourself 6 to 7 inches away from the microphone so you don't sound distorted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So follow those steps and leave the rest up to your engineer or to yourself or whatever. So thanks for watching. This was just a quick video to help you get some nice, clean, strong vocals. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all updated when I put out new content. Make sure you comment down below what video y'all want me to make, any tutorials y'all want me to make. Yeah, and that's it. Till the next time. Peace.